This here is a standard wall socket. However, this particular one is similar to what you use in satellites. It's got an F connector as opposed to a standard coax plug, and you screw it on. These tend to be better than the push-on ones for the simple reason that they stay there when they're screwed in place. They also have a better contact. There's a pin here that goes into the middle, and that gives you a better contact for voltage. So if you need to send the voltage up to an amplifier or voltage down for satellite, then this is the best type to have. Now on the back you can connect it here. Now I'm going to do that right now. I'll have a piece of coax cable, so I'm going to trim it up. Here it is here. Pull back the outer part after cutting off the insulation. Trim it up there. Trim this section off. There it is there. Just got to make sure the outside doesn't touch the inside. And here's the inside the core. Normally it's here is the coax cable. I'm just going to take the first part of the insulation off. There it is. And then pull back this part here. Trim it up. Now this part is classed as the earth, although it's not really the earth. We have the inner part, which is signal. That's signal, and this is the return signal. So now I'm going to fit the F plug on. I've got one here. Got one here. This is the F plug, and I'm going to screw that on like so. That's it. It's fairly tight. And that will fit into there, like so. Now let's just put the other end on. So if we put so just put the other side on. This part down here, that's where the cable goes in. I'm just going to trim this up. Same as before. Pull that around. then I just need a screwdriver now to undo this. Try not to undo it completely because then you might lose the screw that goes in there. Try not to lose the screw when you undo it. That fixes in there, like so. There it is there. And do this up. This part here, the middle core. Do that up. Trim this off. And there it is. The important part is for this part not to be touching anything else other than the center part. You then fit this to the wall, and then you then have a cable that you make up or purchase, and you can plug it in. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.